These days, GM is more preoccupied with its hard bank on the EV lifestyle of models like the next-generation Chevrolet Bolt and EUV, Equinox EV, Sports Jacket EV, Silverado EV, 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, and GMC Sierra EV. But the truth is that IC-powered lorries are still the support of the firm even if no one wants to identify that. Subtly yet necessarily, Chevrolet has actually cared for its crossovers and SUVs over the past months and has even introduced prominent, both essentially and figuratively, designs like the next-generation Traverse or the refreshed 2025 Tahoe and Suburban. The full-size siblings got fresh exterior and interior mods, a brand new signature illumination style, a much more substantial and currently best-in-class 17.7-inch infotainment display, and more. Because of this, every person can easily visualize that GM will just spend a little of time prior to permitting GMC to additionally give the exact same improvements to the relevant Yukon and Yukon XL designs. No person actually understands when that will certainly take place, as absolutely nothing is main yet. However, all of us know that the report mill loves to splash the beans well beforehand. As part of the current GMC lineup, the Yukon rests at the top of the design array above the Terrain and Acadia, in accordance with the fully electric Hummer EV SUV, yet also a whole lot more affordable as it begins with $58,200 instead of $96,550. Of course, if you desire the snazzy Yukon Denali, the difference reduces promptly. A 2WD packing the 3.0-liter Duramax starts from $76,800, and the 6.2-liter V8 version is at least $78,300. Yet do you assume the Pixel Masters care about these MSRPs? Not, naturally, and this CG expert additionally just desires the upgraded 2025 Yukon Denali to look quite in front of the digital video camera. The unofficial adjustments aren't radical. The chromed grille has less and a lot larger chrome slats. The LED lights are slimmer, however maintain the signature DRL style,